NewSay.
Technology. Whoa, OpenAI is catching the coding wind. OpenAI to buy Windsurf. This will boost coding magic to the next level. Windsurf plus ChatGPT. Looks like the coding race just got even cooler. 3B deal. Unusual trend. Gaga's Big Beach Bash. Lady Gaga sings at Big Beach concert. Free show. Shops and hotels get ready. Welcome fans. Concert deals. Shops, hotels get ready. Arts. York Minster turns 1,400 years old. 2 artists can each win euro 10,000. The contest is open to artists worldwide. The art should show new beginnings. York Minster always loves art. Environment. Europe is very dry this spring. Many places have low water. Some areas get a high alert. We use water carefully. World affair. In England, many elderly wait in hospitals. The waits are too long. We need to check them right away. We'll spend more to help them. Business. UK leaders talk to bank leaders on Tuesday. Small businesses need loans to grow. HSBC, NatWest, and Lloyds. They ask, can banks lend more? Banks make it too hard. Government wants to help. Wellness. Do you put others first? This is called people-pleasing. We try to be who others want. Realizing this is scary. But we can discover what we like. And we feel better. Media. Movie stocks go down. Trump says there is a new tariff. This could make movies more expensive. It affects Hollywood. Making movies in the US may cost more too. It affects Hollywood and beyond. Politics. In North Carolina, a court race is very close. A judge says to count the votes as they are. Changing the rules is not fair. Riggs is glad to keep her job. Plus, 734 votes. Sports. A new racing league starts in 2026. Famous jockeys like Frankie Dettori join. Teams can win big money, but the horses are the real stars.